want to make sure all your connections are looking really good on the right hand side. And remember, there's a small wire that connects to another wire that's on the outside and the inside. If those wires aren't out, you've got to remove this whole side to get those wires out. So again, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 2021, the little black wire has a clip. So 5 connections. Make sure your connections all look good. Line it up to the guides. You don't have to be rough with it, nice and gentle. Okay, once you get it in the guides, you're going to start at 12 o'clock. 1. Every 6 inches. Okay, we got 2 on that first one. 3. Okay. Voila. Look at how nice that seam is. Okay, now we're going to put the upper portion on. Again, we're going to line up the guides. And we're going to start at 12 o'clock. There we go. Popped right in. Nice tight seam. Okay, the last piece is the head rest or decorative piece. This one you very gently want to slide it in. Don't force it. Okay, and you just want to get it so you have a little bit of a gap. Okay, but it's nice and tight there. And we're going to do the middle first, followed by the right side, and the left side popped in when I did the little. And now you see we have a little bit of a gap here. That's because I'm missing one snap. Boom. Everything should look nice and tight. Okay, and that's how you disassemble, check your connections, and reassemble the chair. As always, call Jenny or Elsa or myself, Andrew, at Lazeney, and we'll walk you through it. Thank you very much.